All right, next thing you're gonna do is unplug the negative terminal. Make sure, I just put on a piece of plastic, but yeah. Now what you're gonna do is take off this bottom panel on the bottom of your glove box. So you just like ripped it like that and it came out. This is a little courtesy light. I'll take this out. What you're gonna do is get this bolt right there and this bolt right here. Gonna do those, pretty sure those are 10 mils. Boom, just like that. We do this with my fingers. Just be gentle with it. Obviously you don't wanna fuck your shit up. I'm gonna get these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. And after that, I'm pretty sure your shit will just fall out, bro. Fuck, John screwdriver. Putting everything in my trunk. And then putting the screws that I take out that correspond with them, like next to them, obviously, so you don't forget what goes where. All 3. And it's only being held up by this and this. Be gentle. I'm gonna take everything out of my glove box. I know I didn't do before. Definitely don't be a dumbass like me. Take everything out of your glove box first. Yeah. Okay, so now I took everything out of my glove box. I'm gonna attempt to do it. I'm not gonna do it with one hand, so I'll show you guys where I take the glove box off. There's gonna be a couple harnesses holding it, okay? Okay, so my dumbass forgot, open the lower glove box, and there's 2 more 10 mils on each side. So get those. All right, y'all, pro fucking tip, bro. Put your seat back before, put your seat all the way back before you unplug the fucking battery. Okay. Oh, here we go. There we go. It's fucking out. Oh, yeah. Got a harness right here when I want to unplug that. Courtesy lights, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, courtesy lights for each shelf. Oh shit, just like that. I'll place it down right here on the ground. All right, y'all. This is gonna be hard to see, but out of all this mess, focus right here. It's gonna be this darkish gray. There's 3 clips right here. It's in a row. You got 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I know this is not the best, but you're gonna wanna unplug those and get your harness ready, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna unplug. It's gonna be this wire, and then this wire. Clip, clip, clip. And I'm gonna tell you guys when I remove that, and then basically you're gonna replace that with this one. You guys make sure you guys have the right harness. I believe, see these letters right here? See this 87D? That's for the pre-facelift. It's 87E, that's for the facelift. It's very different. It's not gonna fucking work if you got the wrong one, bro. So yeah, just make sure you have the right one. All right, guys, just got them unplugged. They hang exactly how they plug in. So top, middle, third, or bottom. So don't mess that up, okay? Now we're gonna take our harness and literally plug it in. Top, middle, third, and then we're gonna plug the original harness back into the back of this. So it's like a coupler almost. And then this wire that plugs into, yeah, meaner over there. Okay, and let's do this, y'all. Okay, I got my harness plugged in. I'm gonna plug these back in to here, okay? Like you guys have to realize this car is really old. Shit's brittle. The original wire harness I got for my asc680, the one I'm not gonna use anyway, came broken, bro. And it said it worked and everything. This is from Japan. There's no fucking refunds on this shit. So, you know, on top of that, you do not want to break your shit for, you don't want to break the shit for your fucking car, on your car, bro. You feel me? So do not rush. Like, pick a time where it's just like, okay, calm down, do what you got to do. Don't just rush this process, because this is obviously a very delicate process. Don't be a dumbass, all right? All right, y'all. So the shit's in now. And yeah, man, we're basically done. We just got to put the fucking dash back in. Now, like I was saying earlier, bro, please just take your time. You know, I kind of have to like really push it in there. Obviously, you got to know when you got to know when to use more force than you have to, you feel me? But like, just be gentle. Like, do everything slowly. Don't be like, oh fuck, and then like, don't do that, bro. It's like, take your time, get this shit. It'll work if you got working pieces. And yeah, hope for the best. All right. Got this now. This plugs directly into their special controller. I went to route it through here, and you know, boop boop boop, and But I'm not gonna do that right now. It's just too much work. I'm gonna wait to do it with my friend. For now, I'm just gonna route it directly into the glove box. But yeah, guys, time to put it back together. Okay, I'm putting the glove box back in, kinda, and then we're gonna route it in before we put the glove box completely inside. So we're gonna route that inside the glove box before we completely put the glove box back inside the dash. Okay. Okay, so all I did was place it on the floor right here. Haven't done anything except just take the end of the harness wire that plugs into the air suspension controller and just put it through this little hole right here. Just routed it through there. Now I'm just putting the rest of the wire inside like this, okay? It's kind of just gonna get. Now we're gonna start plugging shit back in and putting the dash back in, okay, guys? Okay, so I'm got this kind of sitting on my feet right now. After you kind of route that in, you're gonna want to plug these back in, the little courtesy lights for the meters, and then I'm have to finesse my way inside to put it back inside because I don't really remember exactly how it goes. So maybe keep track of that. I kind of got it. Nothing's in right now. I'm just literally hanging it on this and this. It's literally just hanging. Look. So I think I'm gonna do the middle ones first. Make sure everything is like aligned, bro. You don't want your shit to be like hella unaligned. The fucking door doesn't shut anymore. So make sure it's on the bottom too. I think I'm gonna do the bottom actually first. Bottom first. Okay, I kind of had to use some force and kind of just like push the bottom in. It snapped in. Just got these top ones. Push that in. Push that in. Boom, now it's pretty much in place. Now, take the bottom screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Hand tight that back in. Like that. Take this one. Hand tighten those. Okay, now if they're hand tight, go ahead with your 10 mil and tighten them down. Not tighten the fuck out of them, but you know, just like I said, you gotta play it by hand. All right, I got those bottom two in. Now we're gonna open this one and we're gonna get these two in. Obviously, make sure your shit's aligned. Mine's aligned. It should be aligned. The glove box should clip in fully before you even put anything in. Okay. Okay, these you can't see them, but the bolts right here are hand tight now. I got that one right there, and then got that one right there. They're hand tight. So I'm gonna hit it with the 10 mil now. Always hand tighten your bolts. You don't want to risk like stripping or de-threading anything. You don't want to over tighten anything. Always just make it hand tight so you're not just like wrenching the fuck out of it, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna get these tightened down with the 10 mil now, and then we'll just have to do these ones and you're pretty much done. Those are finally tightened down. Now I just got these. Let me get those real quick. All right, y'all. It's these are all on. Like I said, don't lose the washers for these. All right, y'all. My phone died. I put everything back in. I didn't do anything else. Did not turn on the car yet. Yeah, just let my phone charge for a second. Got my controller right here. And yeah, we're gonna try to turn on the car. So, okay, so I can't do this one-handed, but basically what we're gonna do is, okay, so you don't turn your engine on, but you turn it to on, but you don't start the actual engine while holding this top left button. So we're gonna hold that down, and then we're gonna turn the car on. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys from there. Whoa, okay, I just caught this on camera. I've never seen this happen before. What the fuck? Okay, so this happens a lot where the top thing, it says UCF31 right there. That's some Japanese lettering, don't know what that says. Please wait while the system updates. I've never seen this before in my life. I've never even heard of this. I've never seen this on the forums. This is weird as fuck, okay? Okay. Car is making some noises. This is here now. What if all my shit's Japanese now? No, but okay. UCF31. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna press agree. Okay. What the fuck? Bruh, I've never seen that in any video before. That's hella cool. What the fuck? I caught that on camera. So I can show my friends I got Japanese on my LS. That's hella cool. When I plug this in, updating systems. That's raw as fuck. Oh my god, is that not the coolest thing ever? I've never seen something like that before on my American car, Japanese. But, oh my god, okay. Next step. It says UCF31. You can't really see it because this top line is like, I guess the top line of the LEDs are like out. It's a common issue on these. Not tripping, still works, still functions, just the screen's kind of buggy. But yeah. Alright, y'all. My dumbass should have recorded this. Okay, so all I did was just press. So mine already said UCF31. This bottom left one is the select button. The ones on the right, top and bottom, those are like the scrolling modes. So up. Basically, you're gonna scroll through till you find your car. I'm guessing all you guys have ls430s. Find your car, UCF31. It's my car. Press that, and then it basically said extra low mode. I selected that again, and now I'm at this screen. Okay.